Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin from here the same topic, the summer of the beautiful white horse. The narrator says here, "Good morning, John Byro." John Byro was the name of farmer. My cousin Murad said to the farmer. The farmer studied the horse eagerly. Studied means here observed. "Good morning, son of my friends," he said. "What is the name of your horse?" "My heart," my cousin Murad said in Armenian. Armenian is the name of the language, and in Armenian language, cousin Murad said that my heart is the name of the horse. A lovely name, John Byro said, for a lovely horse. I could swear it is the horse that was stolen from me many weeks ago. May I look into his mouth? Of course, Murad said. The farmer looked into the mouth of the horse. Tooth for tooth, he said, I would swear it is my horse. If I didn't know your parents, the fame of your family for honesty is well known to me. Yet the horse is the twin of my horse. A suspicious man would believe his eyes instead of his heart. Good day, my young friends. The explanation of the above passage is Murad wished him good morning, and John Byro saw the horse carefully. Byro wished them back and asked the name of the horse. Murad said, My heart, in Armenian language. Byro complimented that it was a lovely name for a lovely horse. He swore that it was his horse that was stolen weeks ago. He asked if he could look into his mouth. After looking from tooth to tooth, it said it was his horse if he didn't know his parents. He said the horse was a twin of his horse. He further said that his family is all for honesty, but the horse looks just like the one he lost. A man who is suspicious would easily believe his eyes and not his heart. He wished them and went away. Good day, John Byro, my cousin Murad said. These are the further lines. Early the following morning, we took the horse to John Byro's vineyard and put it in the barn. The dogs followed us around without making a noise. The dogs, I whispered. Whispered means said slowly to my cousin Murad. I thought they would bark. They would bark at somebody else, he said. I have a way with dogs. My cousin Murad put his arms around the horse, pressed his nose into the horse's nose, patted it, and then we went away. That afternoon, John Byro came to our house in his surrey and showed my mother the horse that had been stolen and returned. I do not know what to think, he said. The horse is stronger than ever. Better tempered too, I thank God. My uncle Khosrow, who was in the parlor, became irritated and shouted, Quiet, man, quiet. Your horse has been returned. Pay no attention to it. Explanation of the above passage is Murad wished him back the next morning. They took the horse back to John Byro's vineyard and put it in his barn. The dogs followed them around without making any sound. Murad replied they would not bark at them since he had a way with dogs. Murad put his arms around the horse, then pressed his nose into the horse's nose. He patted him and then they went away. That same afternoon, John came to our Aram's house in his surrey and showed his mother his horse that returned. He said he didn't know what to think as the horse is much stronger now with a better temper. He thanked God. Uncle Khosrow, who was in the parlor, again shouted, irritated, Quiet, man, quiet. Your horse has been returned. Pay no attention to it. Dear students, in this way the chapter gets completed. Thank you very much.